Imagine a scorching summer day, stuck in your rig sweating buckets. What if I told you there's a mini split air conditioner that promises to blast away that heat and bring instant comfort in just 5 minutes? This isn't just a dream. It's what this 960W DC mini split air conditioner aims to deliver. Right off the bat, the claim of reducing interior temperature in just 5 minutes is pretty bold. But with its 960-watt brushless motor cranking out up to 3,000 RPM and a wind speed of 265 CFM, it certainly has the muscle to back it up. For anyone spending long hours in a semi-truck, camper, or even an excavator, that kind of rapid cooling isn't just a luxury, it's a game changer for comfort and focus. When it comes to build quality, this unit feels robust. The combination of sturdy metal and ABS material for the main body means it's designed to withstand the rigors of life on the road, resisting deformation and corrosion. And for the outdoor unit, they've gone with an even tougher metal casing, which is a smart move, ensuring it can take a few bumps and still perform reliably in harsh environments. It's also reassuring to know it comes with overvoltage and overcurrent protection, adding an extra layer of safety. Plus, the comprehensive kit with interior and exterior fixtures, along with detailed instructions, suggests that installation shouldn't be a headache for most. Now, let's talk about noise, because nobody wants a roaring engine in their cabin. This mini split uses variable frequency cooling technology, which not only helps minimize energy consumption, but also keeps things remarkably quiet. With a household ultra-quiet evaporator and intelligent temperature control, the internal unit operates at less than 45 decibels. That's quieter than a typical conversation, meaning you can actually enjoy a peaceful driving experience or get some undisturbed rest, which is a huge win for long-haul drivers. The versatility of this unit is also impressive. It's designed for a massive range of vehicles: trucks, semi-trailer trucks, flathead semis, container semis, tractors, ships, RVs, excavators, passenger cars, agricultural vehicles, and more. If it's a large DC-powered vehicle, chances are this mini split can make it a much more comfortable space. It really seems like a well-thought-out solution for anyone needing powerful, efficient, and quiet cooling on the go. Overall, this 960W DC mini split air conditioner appears to be a serious contender for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's climate control. It brings powerful, fast cooling, a durable build, and a surprisingly quiet operation to a wide array of applications. It's not just about cooling, it's about enhancing comfort and productivity wherever your journey takes you.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.